Hi guys. So in this lecture we'll create Postgres image using Docker Compose. So we'll need this Postgres instance for our microservices. So for creating a Postgres instance, the prerequisite is we need to have a Docker desktop installed on our laptop. So we can do it by going to this Docker website, and from there you can download Docker desktop for Windows or any other operating system you have. So once you download it and install it, you'll get the application like this, wherein you can see the containers images running in a Docker. So basically, these images are currently running in my local environment. So we need to create Postgres database instance. For that, we will be creating uh, a Docker Compose YAML file. So I'm just creating Docker Compose.yaml file. So, and within this, we'll have services to be created. So we will create Postgres service and PGAdmin service. So Postgres service is basically creates PGDB container, which downloads this Postgres image from Docker registry, and we are giving username and password for this particular database, which we will uh, initiate, and it will be running on port number 5432, and it will be using Postgres network, which is defined over here in networks. And we'll also create this PGAdmin, which is actually a user interface for accessing Postgres database. So this will have some parameters. It will pull out PG admin image from Docker registry, and it will run on port number 5050, and it will also use Postgres network, which is common across PGAdmin as well as Postgres. And both these Postgres and PGAdmin will have volumes, and they will use those volumes defined over here. So we have created this Docker Compose file. Now we'll create the containers out of this Docker Compose file. So we have to go to the, the location where this file is located, and we have to open the command prompt and run the command Docker Compose up and -d for detached mode. So once we run this, it will hopefully pull out the images for us and create the containers out of them. So let's just see. So it is just creating uh, all the networks, volumes, and containers. So it has created this pgadmin and pgdb container, if you see. So if you want to see whether these are created for us, you can go here in Docker desktop, and uh, these are created for us. So PGAdmin and PGDB both have been created, and they are in running status. So now if you want to check if PGAdmin is running, you can go in a browser, type localhost 5050, because PGAdmin is running on port number 5050. Yeah, so this PGAdmin has been created, and it's up and running for us. So I'm just setting the password for master, just setting the default password as password only. And here, if you see in servers, we don't have any database running over here. So for for now, we have created pgadmin and Postgres database, and we are accessing Postgres database from our pgadmin. Now we want a schema to be created for our customer microservice. So we just need to go to add new server, then we'll type customer which is our customer database, and we'll define the parameters. So we have Postgres over here. This is our database name, so we need to keep Postgres only as a host name, and it will be running on 5432. This is the maintenance database. Username. So username, I'm creating my Java blog as a user, and password as default password. So I'm just creating this uh, database for now. Yeah, and you can see this customer database is created with username my Java blog and password as a password. So if you see, we have this my Java blog database, and inside my Java blog user, and inside it you have all the schemas and all the objects inside this database. So currently we don't have any object or tables inside it, so it's just a blank database for us at this moment. So that's it for now. See you in next lecture.